Welcome guys, and welcome to the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 5, the most premium smartwatch out there in 2019. This is the Series 5 space gray aluminum case with black sport band 44mm version, and so the box is also premium packaged, easy to open. The Apple Watch logo is beautifully engraved onto this white surface, making it more premium. So let's get to the unboxing. Fun stuff. Unboxing the box is really easy with this beautifully designed box, and opening the box gives you a premium look at all the Apple Watch band colors available out there. Thumbs up to Apple for such a premium packaging. Also, that also raises the price, I guess. And so these are all the colors that are available for the Apple Watch, and also the engraved logo, keeping the upper part aside. We at first get a look at two boxes. The first box containing the Apple Watch and its contents, and also some stickers and barcodes attached to the back side. And then we get the space gray Apple Watch band along with it. So let us unbox the watch. Unboxing the box is pretty easy. Pulling it out, you get a first look and on the left side at the Apple Watch in a beautiful microfiber pouch for protection. This is the main device. This looks really premium, and also the production case added to this, I must say, is really good and will keep the glass clean whatsoever. And you can also use that to clean the Apple Watch glass if it gets dirty or it gets smudges. And also you can see that it is not much different from that of the Apple Watch Series 4, the back side, but there are some features certainly added into that. And okay, then we get to the literature with some instruction manuals written onto it, like the instruction manuals as you can see, and no Apple stickers. I'm really sad for that. Keeping that aside, we get a look at the charger, beautifully tied up, braided in the box, and also premium looking. And also for the first time, I think we get a big charging brick for this rather than the normal fiber that you actually get with the Apple Series 4 and other contents. Keeping that aside, now let us move over to the box. It's to the watch itself. So here is the watch band. So let us unbox the watch band from there and connect it with your watch. So you can see the watch band box is also really premium, which I actually didn't think it was so premium, but the fact is that it's just like the Apple Watch Series 4. By opening this up, we also get some instructions of how to set the watch box up, although it's really easy. And so this is the watch band, guys. This is the space gray watch band. Let us take them out, and also you get one extra space band out of the side. Taking it down is fairly easy, just slide right off from the pouch and you can easily take them out. So taking those two parts out of there, let's keep them over there and connect it with our watch. So connecting the Apple Watch with this band is fairly easily. As you can see on the top side and the back side of this device, there are certain cutouts for easily fitting the watch band. You just slide it onto there, it just gets connected like magic, no whatsoever. As you can see, this cuts on both sides of the watch. So this is where you attach them, just they slide right off. Okay, this is the wrong side, sorry for that, they'll come from the left. You can see they easily get stuck. And also let us go for the upper part. So you can see how easy that gets fit into here and no problem whatsoever. And guys, now it's a total watch from a little monitor or something you want to say. So let us just try to turn this on and connect it to the device, and we will get right back to you in a moment. So we are done setting up the watch. Here's the watch face. The watch looks so slick and really beautiful as well. This watch is just a work of art. And also you can see that let me unlock it for your passcode. Okay, sorry about that jet lag over there. So these are the recently app used like previous versions, and these are all the apps that are inside. And also the crown just got much more smoother, I think, than before. You can use the watch for certain features like gesturing apps. All the apps got better. You can just swipe off all the always on display screens, just swiping them off and select the one that you like your best. And after you can select any one, all of them has the always on display support and 2 modes. So after that, here is the workout app where you can go for outdoor walk, cycling, indoor walk, running, indoor cycling, hitchhiking, power, or anything that you want. All sorts of exercises are available in this watch, and it is getting better and better every day to keep track of your health. And I think this motivated many people, the Apple Watch motivated many people to get into a healthy lifestyle. Also, This has the heart rate support, which you can use to check when you're not feeling that well and you think your heart rate is a bit more. You can just cross check along with it and understand that what your problem actually is. And also there's the ECG app which you can use, but it is not available in all countries. Photos can also be synced with it if you want, and also you can see all the browse all the apps in once without any problem. And see, and also the smoothness of the display is really good. Okay, so let us put it in your hand and let us see the one of the most important and amazing features that the Apple Watch Series 5 features right now, the always-on display, and let's see how well this works. So this device has the first Apple Watch that supports the always-on display. So when you take this up, okay, this is not always-on display. Okay, so just pull it up. So this, guys, is the a bit dimmed out Apple Watch always-on display. So it will be a bit dimmed out and it will always be there wherever you go, no matter what. And if you remember that infamous hand swipe you need to do, you don't need to do that right now, because this watch really does a great job in keeping the always-on display and looking it perfect. You can see this is the black display with all the details. It's just a bit dimmed version and it takes up to 5% battery charge a day as Apple claims. Other than that, I think that 5% charger for a day is not that much of a use, but even if you are that much of a heavy watch user, I think this watch will be able to last the whole day either way. So taking out of the hand, this watch, as you can see, this watch looks really aesthetic. The aesthetics are really brilliant. This looks really good. The watch has all the criteria and powers for being the most expensive and premium watch of 2019, with all the sensors and stuff that we could see actually over here. That was very much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you sure, be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.